The LSU AgCenter is very excited to announce their 2023 Spring Louisiana Super Plant, and it's none other than our Peggy Martin rose, also known as the Katrina rose, because it survived being submerged underwater for several weeks. When Louisiana resident Peggy Martin went back to her home, this was one of her roses that was still there. Now, it has been propagated by Dr. Welsh, who is a Texas AgriLife horticulturist and a 3-time graduate of LSU. And now this rose has become just a symbol of Louisiana and survivability. And it's such a gorgeous southern gem of a rose. Very easy care, nothing much to it. Now, it is a rambling rose or a climbing rose, so you will need a structure in order for it to grow on. It blooms in the springtime, late winter, early spring, and we're about to see this thing just flush out. Now, you can trim roses, and you want to trim roses by February 14th or somewhere within that time. We like to say around Valentine's Day. And the spring is an excellent time to fertilize roses. Now, with Peggy Martin, we can fertilize again in the fall to encourage more blooms. And you can trim these after they've bloomed in the springtime if you need to remove any dead canes or any disease canes. Now, these are easy care. Once they're established, we don't need a lot of water. Just remember, we need a structure in order for it to grow on. It is a rambling rose, and it's our 2023 Spring Louisiana Super Plant, Peggy Martin Rose. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.